Apple flattened Samsung in California District Court Friday, scoring a $1.05 billion jury decision in its landmark patent case. What's next for Apple, and what does it mean for consumers? TechCrunch says Apple could pressure Samsung to license the patents it's violated, which means paying up on top of the damages already awarded. Or Apple could try for an injunction and ban U.S. sales of the offending devices outright. The Next Web says the whole Android ecosystem could become more expensive for everyone, device makers and customers alike. After all, if Samsung has to pay royalties, chances are good that other OEMs will be more cognizant about paying those royalties to Apple as well. In a market where many Android phones already cost more than their Apple counterparts, that's not good news for companies hoping to make a buck on the back of the robot. But will your phone software work the same way it always has? A writer for Forbes says, probably. One way or another, it's hard to imagine that nothing but the iPhone and iPad will have scroll bounce, pinch to zoom, and tap to zoom, the features targeted in the case, or something very similar forever into the future. But ZDNet says customers should expect design changes at Samsung and elsewhere. Going forward, Samsung will have to build its phones to look different, and other manufacturers could get spooked into following suit, lest they get sued too. The changes could cause waves throughout the Android ecosystem, all the way up to Google. Still, forced innovation is better than no innovation. PC World quotes an analyst. Hopefully, consumers win in the long run, because the Samsungs and HTCs of the world will have to become more creative. Of course, all these changes might be delayed for a long while. If Samsung appeals, everyone involved heads back to square one. An appeal is looking likely. Samsung issued a statement yesterday. The $1 billion plus verdict is, quote, not the final word in its case against Apple. For Newsy, I'm Nathan Byrne. Multiple sources, The Real Story.